TPMS service is part of the daily routine in today's tire shops. Sensors, warning lights, and relearns are things your technicians handle all the time. Ope, if you heard relearns and thought, that's still a thing, this video is for you. Here's the good news. TPMS service really has gotten easier than it used to be. That is, as long as your team understands how modern systems work and follows the right processes. Sure, modern multi-application sensors have made coverage easier, but they haven't eliminated relearn procedures altogether. Anytime a new sensor goes on a vehicle, the car has to be told it's there. Otherwise, the system assumes something is wrong. Think of each TPMS sensor like a unique ID number. The vehicle expects to see the same 4 IDs it already knows. If one of those changes and the vehicle isn't updated, the TPMS light isn't going anywhere. The car is literally driving down the road looking for those specific IDs. If one is missing or different, it assumes there's a problem. That's why relearns are still a critical step. Skip it, rush it, or do it incorrectly, and you're almost guaranteed a comeback. The good news for shops like yours is that auto relearn systems have taken a lot of the guesswork out of this process. On vehicles equipped with auto relearning, the process can be as simple as installing the new sensor and taking the vehicle for a test drive. Even with auto relearns becoming more common, understanding when a relearn is needed is required, and which type of relearn a vehicle uses is still essential. Don't overcomplicate TPMS service in your shop. When technicians understand which relearn process applies and use the system the way it was designed, TPMS becomes faster and far more predictable. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time.